What if I told you your wig can look like this just by following these easy steps I'm about to show in the video? Plucking a widow's peak creates an illusion of a very natural hairline. Everybody is going to be thinking you grew these inches out your scalp. This was my very first time doing it, so if you're a beginner, you can too. Sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the ultimate hack. Today we're working with Ashimary Hair, and these are a few of their goodies they sent in the box. They also included a silk robe with their logo on it, which I thought was really cute. So this is how the wig looks right out of the box. The hairline was pre-plugged, the knots were bleached, and the hair was full from root to tip. It came in a really silky texture. I love how the hair felt. It was super soft. I went on and started to customize the hairline. So to create a widow's peak, you have to part out a small circular section on both sides of the part, and you're basically going to pluck out this section that you're parting out to create that V shape in the front. You will have to perfect your part a couple of times. I know that I spent maybe 15 minutes trying to make sure both sections were even on both sides. So basically, it's important to take your time with this just to ensure that everything looks even and seamless. So this is how everything looks, and you can see I went back and kind of perfected that other side because I wasn't feeling how it came out at first. I'm going to press out my hairline with my hot comb just to make sure any stray hairs are out of the way. So I'm going to kind of pull the hairs out instead of plucking. I told you guys this was a quick and easy video, so we're going to save some time. And if you pull in very small sections, the hair comes out very easy. You want to make sure you have a tight grip on the lace so you don't make any holes. And how I do that is I just put my comb there and make sure I hold that part tight while I'm pulling the extra hair in the front. So after pulling that out, this is how everything is looking, and I'm going to just start working on the other side. Again, you want to pull in very small sections while your other hand is holding the wig so you aren't pulling any holes in the lace. And that's it. It's so easy. Like, you just have to make sure your sections are even and you have your widow's peak. Like, it's so cute. And I'm showing you guys that you still can create baby hairs, which I did later in the video. I decided to create some baby hairs. I cannot steer away from the baby hairs, child. I don't know. Maybe one day I will. But yes, this wig has 13 by 6 parting space. So you can do any style with this wig. You do not have to do a side part or a middle part. You can do a style in the front. I went on and cut out my ears, and I'm going to start the installation process. Starting with a blank canvas, you want to clean off your hairline with some alcohol and a paper towel. This just helps the install last a bit longer. You want to make sure your skin is clear from any excess makeup or oils. The way I install my wigs is I cut the lace in sections and I also glue in sections. So I'm going to be using the Bold Hold lace glue, and I believe this is the Alonzo Arnold collaboration. I absolutely love this glue. Like, it takes no time to dry clear. It doesn't give me any white residue. And it's just very easy to work with. So you want to pull the hairline down and see exactly how the hairline is traced out, and you want to put your glue exactly that way. So I'm just dotting my glue, and I'm going to take my rat tail comb and flatten it out until everything is clear. Sometimes the glue needs a little help with turning all the way clear, and you want to make sure that the glue is clear before you lay the lace down to prevent any flaking or white mark. So I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool, and I'm going to blow dry the glue until everything is just about clear. So I'm going to pull the hairline down and lay that lace exactly where that glue stopped. And I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just press that lace into my skin. And you basically are going to repeat the same exact steps on both sides. Make sure you have some clips handy to clip away the excess lace so things won't get messy. And I have a very low hairline, so glue almost always gets in my hair. I just have a great method of taking the glue out so the glue doesn't pull out my hair. And again, pulling that lace down, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just press that lace into that glue. I'm going to take my Ashimary melt band and I'm going to start working on silking out the hair while the glue is drying. I took some concealer and put it in my part just to make the part a little bit more clean and seamless. And I'm going to take the warmth of my finger and rub that product in so it doesn't look so harsh. Also, excuse my nail. My nail literally broke a few minutes before filming this video, so I did not have time to get it fixed. So soaking out the hair, I'm going to use my Silk Out Mist by Ashimary Stitched It, and I'm going to lightly spray the hair all over, and I'm going to silk out the hair using the comb chase method with my Babyless flat irons, and I'm going to do it in small sections. And this hair really didn't need any silking out. Like I said, when I pulled it out of the pack, it really was pretty much super soft and silky. But I just wanted to get, like, you know, that polished look without any of the dents that were in the hair. I just wanted everything to be super soaked and sleek. So this is how long the hair is. It comes like past my hips, and then like I said, it's super full from top to bottom. To cut off my lace, I'm going to use my small scissors. I tried to use the eyebrow razor, but I just was not liking how it was coming out. And as you can see, I'm looking at my lace and I'm like, something is not right. So I started to pull out all of the hair that was stuck to the glue just to make my hairline a little bit more clean. And I'm going to take my foundation powder and just put that on top of the lace because it was giving a little bit of a white cast. As you can see, when you put your powder in, that lace melts right into the skin. I'm going to go in with my Got2b to melt that lace a little bit further, and then using my blow dryer on cool to make sure everything is dry. Okay guys, so this is the final product. The hair is super pretty. It's silked out really nice. I did of course use my Silk Out Mist by Ashimary Stitched It to help silk this wig out. This wig is very long. It's about 30 inches. It comes, let me see if I can press it down. It comes all the way down. The only thing I will say about this wig is I did have to go in and pluck it a little bit more. It wasn't plucked enough for my liking, but it does come pre-plucked. For me, just on the sides, it wasn't plucked enough as in the middle. In the middle, I didn't have to pluck much, but on the sides, I had to pluck a little bit. It is a 13x6 parting space, so I do love that. It seems like 13x6 wigs lay much more flat than 13x4s. Be sure to check the description box for all of the information on this wig, and comment the word pink if you made it this far. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.